Hi folks, I'm Craig Taylor, and as always a huge thanks for joining me here on my YouTube channel, the Bushcraft Padawan, and thank you for joining me in this week's Thursday's Thought. When I first set up this YouTube channel 2 years and 3 or 4 months ago, the videos that I uploaded were good enough, they were okay. I used to shoot them on my phone, upload them straight to YouTube, take a screenshot of one of the frames, stick some text on it as my thumbnail. That was it, that was good enough. Fast forward 2 years and 3 months, and I found that over that period of time, good enough and okay isn't, in my opinion, good enough anymore. I found that in the past 2 years, 3 months, that I'm no longer shooting on my phone, although I am today when I do the mobile videos. I bought myself a cheap second-hand video camera to do that. I found that I no longer upload straight to YouTube. I actually take some time and effort in editing the videos, both the visual and the sound quality. I find that I shoot a custom thumbnail for the video and edit that in order to attract hopefully more views and more clicks. In other words, over the 2 years, 3 months that I've been doing YouTube, I've found that I've developed interests and skill sets, and dare I say even a modicum of a hobby in terms of videography and graphic design and photo editing and that sort of thing. Not on a huge scale, you know, let's be quite honest, I am still incredibly novice in those areas, but I have found that I do take more of an interest. I have found that my skill set has developed 100% in those areas, and that got me thinking, what side interests or side hobbies or additional interests have you developed as a result of your interest in bushcraft? Not necessarily as a result of having a YouTube channel about bushcraft like I've got, but just bushcraft generally. Has it led you towards any hobbies, pastimes, interests, development of skill sets that you possibly wouldn't have encountered or even thought about had you not been involved and interested in this bushcraft world? Like I said, for me, it's videography and video editing and all of that kind of side of life associated with the YouTube channel, of course, but that was born out of an interest in bushcraft. As always, I'd be really interested to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below, either Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, wherever it is that you're watching this, what additional side interest, hobbies, pastimes have you developed as a result of your primary interest in bushcraft? Let me and others know. If you like the video, there's a like button, you know what to do with it by now. If you're not yet a subscriber, in the bottom right hand corner of your screen there's been a red subscribe button. Click on it, see what happens. If you think other people would value from watching this video, get an interest out of it, then please do feel free to share it. I'll see you very shortly in my next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.